Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta mac and cheese. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Don't forget 2 cups of whole milk, 2 cups of freshly shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and a pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This classic comfort food is surprisingly simple to master. Now let's get that pasta cooking perfectly. Bring about 6 cups of water to a rolling boil in a large pot, adding 1 teaspoon of salt for flavor. Once boiling, add your 8 ounces of elbow macaroni. Cook the pasta according to package directions, usually 7 to 9 minutes until it's al dente. This means it should be firm to the bite. Drain the pasta well and set it aside. Resist the urge to rinse it, as the starch helps the sauce cling. The heart of any great mac and cheese is its creamy sauce. In the same saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and cook for about 1 minute, creating a roux. This will thicken our sauce. Slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Continue stirring until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency, usually a few minutes. With your sauce ready, remove it from the heat and stir in 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. Now, add your cooked elbow macaroni to the luscious cheese sauce. Gently fold everything together until every piece of pasta is beautifully coated. Serve immediately and savor this homemade comfort food. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious mac and cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.